Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to study chapter 13 Ways to Multiply and Divide. Before that, I want to give you some instruction. Observe the method and solve the sums given in PDF in notebook. Different ways of division method. First is long division method. As all of you know how to divide this, let us start with example. 875 divided by 9. Write 875 in the inner column and 9 is the outer column. As you know, it is a dividend. This number is a divisor. Whatever the answer we will get, it is a quotient. And if the number is remaining, it is called a remainder. Let us start to divide the number 875 by 9. First of all, there is a need to check the number. First digit is 8. It is a less than 9. So we will take these two number for division, and you can write the table of 9 for your convenience. See, see here 87 is not exactly divisible by 9. So we will take here 9 nines are 81. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now take down this number here 5. Now the number is 65, and see 65 is exactly divisible by 9 or not? No. Here is a 9 sevens are 63 and 9 eights are 72. So we will take 9 sevens are 63. 5 minus 3 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Sorry. So this is the remainder. It is a quotient. All of you know this is a regular method. Now let us discuss another method. It is a short division method. For example, 872 divided by 4. Let us start the number. Write 4 here and 872 write in this way. Now start the number dividing. This first number is 8. 4 2s are 8. It is exactly divisible. Now take the number 7. We will not write the number here. It is a short division method, different method. So keep this number here. 4 2s are 8. It is greater than 7. So 4 1s are 4. When 7 minus 4 you are doing subtraction, it will 3. Okay. So remainder number 3 we will carry here. Now consider the number as 32 instead of 2. Instead of 2, we consider the number is 32 and 4 8s are 32. It is exactly divisible. So our answer 872 divided by 4 is equal to 218. It is a short division method. Third number is of division is a chunking method. Let us start. 72 divided by 5. In this method, we need to check that how many times 5 goes into 72. Means how many times 5 we subtract and finally we get the answer. So, it is also known as repeated subtraction method. We'll write here first of all 72. Draw one line here. How many times we will check how many times 5 goes into 72. So in this type of sum and in this method, always start multiplying with the tens value, round number 10, 100 like this. So it is a 50. So write here 10 minus 50. Now 22 is here. How many times 5 goes into 22? So we know that 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So it is a smaller number. 5 4s are 20. So we'll take here 4 and 2 is remainder. Okay. So our answer is 72 divided by 5 is equal to 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. It is a quotient and remainder is equal to 2. I hope you have understood the method. You have to solve the sums given in PDF and mail it on given email ID.